This tool will allow you to reach the bolt from the inside of the ornament. Then you'll also have an open-end wrench, a 1/2-inch drill bit, a 1/2-inch nut, 1/2-inch bolt, washer, and the tailor's tape. We'll give you an extra base plate to work off of. Place your ornament on top of it and then tilt the ornament so the hole is horizontal. This is where you can work inside of the ornament easily. This will also be able so you can pull your measurement over the top of the ornament to indicate where you need to drill a hole to attach to your base plate. We'll give you this tailor's tape to be able to measure for your hole for your base plate. Just place the end of it at the neck or at the hole of your ornament. Pull over top. And then you can mark a hole or mark where the hole will be at 51 inches. This whole area will be covered up with your base plate, so you can take a Sharpie and just put it at 51 inches. And this is where you're actually going to drill through the ornament to be able to attach your base plate. Here you can see us drilling through the ornament. Now you need to add the hole into your base plate. Measure from the side 9 inches or just in the middle of your base plate. This is the tool that we've made so you can attach the nut to the bolt from the inside of the ornament. This has a magnet on it so it'll hold the nut while you're working on the inside of the ornament. Once you have the hole drilled into your base plate, just assemble the washer over the bolt, stick it through the base plate, and line it up with the hole in the ornament. You'll need someone else to grab the tool that we've given, put the nut on the end of the socket. The magnet will help hold it secure. And what you'll need to do here is just line up the nut on the bolt that's sticking on the inside of the ornament, and then you can start tightening it on both ends. You can use the tool that we have to twist it. You can see Robert here actually starting to twist on the nut onto the bolt. And you can also tighten it on from the back side as well. Once you have it hand tight, you can use an open-end wrench. We'll send this also, and tighten it down just so the base doesn't move anymore. Once you have the base secured, you can pick it up, and this should angle your ornament slightly so the cap is offset